Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of dx over 2x to the power of 2 plus x minus 1. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to change 2x squared plus x minus 1 by divide by 2, so we put number 2 outside and you will get about 1 over 2. The integral of dx over x squared plus 1 over 2 x minus 1 over 2. In here we have about number 2, so it means we have number 4 in here. So later that we put about 1 over 16, so we minus about 1 over 16. Why I need to do this way? Because I want to create about capital A plus capital B everything to the power of 2. It should be like this. That's about x plus 1 over 4 everything to the power of 2. Now we have negative 16 minus 1 over 2. So you will go about negative 9 over 16. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So we have x plus 1 over 4 equals to 3 over 4 sine t. So we will have dx equal to 3 over 4 cosine t dt. Now we change x plus 1 over 4 into 3 over 4 sine t. dx we change for this one. Now we need to simplify. 3 over 4 we have the power 2, so you got about 9 over 16 sine t with number 2, you got about sine t squared. We put 9 over 16 outside, 3 over 4 outside, and it should be like this. We need to multiply 3 fractions together. And this is about 2 over 3. Now we have the formula. Sine t squared plus cosine t squared equals to number 1. So in here we have cosine t squared equal to 1 minus sine t squared. In here we have sine t squared minus 1, so we put negative 1 in here, and you will go about negative 1 plus positive sine t squared. We change for this one. Cosine t divide cosine t, you will go about cosine t, but in this situation we cannot do like this, so because we can do about integration by substitution. So we put about z equal to sine t dz equal to cosine t dt. Z to the power of 2 minus 1, we can separate them into z minus 1 multiply with z plus 1. We put the z in here. So we have z minus 1. We need to minus z plus 1. Because we don't have z in here, so that's why we have z minus z. We have minus 1 and we have minus 1. So it means we have the negative 2 in the numerator. So we put about negative 2 in here and we got about negative 1 over 3 because we have put number 2 in here. So we simplify the number 2 on the numerator. Z minus 1 divided to z minus 1. You will got about 1 over z plus 1. Z plus 1 divided to z plus 1. We got about negative 1 over z minus 1. Now we can get the final result. The integral of 1 over z plus 1, we will got about logarithm by e of absolute value of z plus 1. Similar for this one, but we had a negative in here, so you got about positive. And we have the constant. About z, we need to convert back to sine t. About t, we need to convert back to s, and we have this. So we have sine t that is equal to 4 over 3 multiplied with s plus 1 over 4. Later that we can put about t equal to r sine for this one. Next, because we have sine and r sine, so we can put this one outside. Four over 3 multiplied with s, you will got about 4 over 3 s, and 4 over 3 multiplied with 1 over 4, you got about plus 1 over 3. One over 3 plus 1, you got about 4 over 3. 1 over 3 minus number 1, you got about negative 2 over 3. And here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.